Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I appreciate. I really do appreciate them. Just interact with all the media. Make sure you check out our blockchain friends. We just added a new blockchain friend, Intermeta. So Intermeta is minting their vault cards. It's going to happen on the 15th. They got the OG mint right now, but if you're not a part of that, then their vault card mint is going to happen on the 15th. Check out our NFT giveaway. Also, you'll find that information on yeah, Twitter, how to enter that. Um, and Fligto's got some good stuff coming up on the 15th with their voting platform. All right, look. Um, you know, I've been making some. Been making the Pavia compatible. We've been making the Pavia compatible assets, right? And giving them away. The I tried out a number of platforms to mint NFTs and things of this nature. Um, and I tell you the truth, I was hesitant to even try NFT Maker because I saw this NFT Maker Pro and I was like, I don't know if I'm a pro or not. Um, you know, that's probably not for me because we were just starting out and all that kind of stuff. But I was unable to find what I was looking for pretty much anywhere else. Okay, so I couldn't find the functionality that that I was looking for anywhere else. So I started using NFT Maker, and I'm going to do a series on how to make NFTs and how to package them and post them and all that stuff. In fact, right now the Series 2 NFTs that we made, we're updating. I'm trying to update them right now on the blockchain. We need to update the GIFs um, because they're kind of iffy quality, not very good quality. We're just starting out. We're trying to keep the quality. We're trying to keep the size of the files low, but then at the same time we want to have quality. So we're working on that. We're picking up some new software to help us out. Make it look the best it can. But why I went into that is when I make my video on how to make NFTs, where I'm going to show you how to do Palvia compatible assets and Metaverse assets and all that stuff. When I make my my video, I'll also show you how to update the NFTs. But we need to figure that out, how to do it first. So that's what we're working on right now. But I will make that video anyway. Uh, but NFT Maker in my opinion, is the product to use. So if you're minting NFTs. And what I wanted to bring to everyone's attention in this video is that they're releasing their token on the 18th. Okay, so their token is going to come out on the 18th. It's going to be a governance token, and and you, look, the blockchain everything's going to be an NFT, right? And at this point, I looked over all the NFT people where you can mint NFTs. Um, this one gave me the best functionality. Okay, and everything is going to be an NFT. I mean, everything from your property, real world assets to all the digital assets. It's going to end up being an NFT. Your ID, everything's going to be an NFT, and somebody's going to be big in that ballpark. I mean, somebody's got to mint them. Everybody's not going to learn how to code and mint their own NFTs. Okay, um, so uh, I could see where this would be really big. This can be really big because I think the blockchain. I don't think it's going away. Okay, and so I could see where this would be really big. Uh, Now you have to sign up for the initial coin offering. You're going to have to um, go to register on a separate platform. It's one of those launch pad platforms. And I tell you the truth, that's not my favorite thing to do because they're going to want your ID and all that stuff. I've already gone through the process, right? I've already signed up and got a LCX account ready for this drop. It's on the 18th again. It's really not my favorite thing to do. I don't like to give people my information, and I don't. I just the launch pad, at first I thought it was a great idea, but now they're popping up all over the place. It's just not my favorite thing to do. But that being said, and I know it's a hassle, but that being said, I think in this case it's worth it to pick up some of that early coin. Okay. Um, so the let's see, what is NMKR is going to be their token name. Um, the initial coin offering price will be 0.003, and it's going to be a Cardano native token. Okay, and let's see. But what you do is you're going to sign up, okay, and then they're going to make you go through a three-step verification. The first verification is basically nothing, signing up for the account. Second verification is a little bit more information. Third verification is taking pictures of all your IDs and all that kind of stuff. If any of you have ever done the initial coin launch thing, then that's you'll know the process. But you got a couple days. I wanted to get this video out to you. You have a couple days. Go ahead and get signed up for this. Get prepared, because it takes a little while to be verified, right? So make sure you go ahead and start the process ASAP. Okay. So anyway, this is I would just encourage you to go on here and take a look. Um, if you go to nftmaker.io/token, then that's what page I'm looking at. You can find that from the website. They've got all their information here, nftmaker.io. So, excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. The token is going to be for a couple different things. Okay, so it's going to be a governance token. All right. And it's going to also be a security and verification token. Okay, there's a lot of good information on this page. I really do encourage you to look at this page here. So we're going to have a security aspect to it, a verification aspect to it. It looks like they're going to have a staking pool. You got your tokenomics coming up here. You got team allocation, 16%. That's good. You don't want a 75% allocation to a team that's like red flag right there. 16% is good, right? Um, so you're going to have 30% direct sales, 1.2% airdrops, community distribution, 48%. Okay, and then you're going to have stake pool, so 4.8%. So they're going to open up a stake pool and distribute the token to the people that are staked with them. From what I understand, I'll probably be taking part of that as well. Um, that's the beautiful thing about Cardano. So it's so beautiful. It opens up the world to all these different projects. So this just gives you kind of breakdown of their tokens, the amount of tokens. There's the white paper. If you have questions, you can get in touch with them. Some disclaimers and stuff like that. So anyway, I just wanted to make you aware of this. Again, it's on the 18th. So get yourself ready, and everything's going to be an NFT. So one of these companies are going to make it, and this is the one that I'm most impressed with. Okay, so make sure you check out our giveaway again. Just to reiterate that, make sure you check out the giveaway. You can, if you want to enter it, then go to the Twitter, and the pin post will tell you the directions on how to enter that. All right, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.